Hare Krishna devotees. So in this tutorial video, I am going to tell you about some hand practice mantra. So only two hand practice mantra I am going to discuss in this video today. So first of all, why we need this hand practice mantra? Okay. So before learning the complex beats of the Mridanga, first of all, we have to do some warm up. Like for example, we go to like some people they go to gym before starting any heavy exercise, right? They do warm up first. For what? To remove the blockage, to make the hands flexible to lift, right? Similarly, to play mridanga, our hands should, become flexible or they should become rhythmic. More specifically, if I want to say, to make them rhythmic or to, they should not feel pain or any resistance while playing. Like, for example, if you see uh, the green stick, very easy to, bend or mold. But when the stick is stiff, we cannot, bend it. It will break. Similarly, we have to make our hand very smooth, like butter. So when we play the complex beats and tala with the mridanga, then the sound comes very madhur. For that, this hand practice is required. So I heard from one of the devotees in ISKCON only. He was telling me that one of the very great mridanga player in ISKCON, he practiced this hand practice mantra, especially the first one which I am going to tell, for 1 year. Only hand practice mantra, and after that, then he started learning mridanga. So, sometimes we ignore the basic, fundamentals and directly try to jump in learning the complex tala. We will fail there because unless the foundation is strong, we may not be able to pick up the rhythms, the complex rhythm. So today we are going to learn these two basic hand practice mantra, okay, which might not be directly useful in the kirtan. Sometimes some advanced mridanga player they apply it, but generally we don't apply them in kirtan many times. So these are just to make our hand flexible, our wrist flexible, okay. So begin with the first mantra. What is it? Re Khe Tā. So everybody knows this mantra because everybody when they start learning Mridanga, the first thing they learn is Tere Khe Tā. After that they leave. So we have to continue. This mantra is very important. Every day we can practice this mantra. Like even if we start learning the complex beats before starting practice of those beats on the particular day, we can begin with this Tere Khe Tā. So first hand practice mantra is Te Re Khe Ta. So total four matras are there. Te Re Khe Ta. What is Te? Te is on the smaller side of the mridanga or your right side. Four fingers closed. Te, 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 te. Then Re. Okay, what is Re? Thumb, but closed. Re, 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 Re. You see, it is like exercise. Te, Re, Te, Re, Te, Re, Te, Re, Te, Re. So please try doing like same way I am doing. Okay. Te, Re, 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 Te, Re. Both are closed. Te, Re. Then come to the next on the left side or on the bigger side of the mridanga. Khe. Okay, what is this? Khe. Closed. The sound should stop there itself. Khe. 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 Now last one is Ta. What is Ta? Four fingers but on the outer side. Okay. Ta. Ta. Right. So we learnt four matras. Four finger closed. Re, Re, and A, and then sa. Okay. Now as out of 4, 3 are on the right side, so I will show you on the right side only. Okay. Re Khe Ta, Re Khe Ta, Re Khe Ta, Re Khe Ta. Got it? K is like this. The third matra. So while practice, how you can practice? Start with slow. You can use metronome if possible. Okay. Maybe I will tell you about this in the upcoming tutorials, which is like the sound tick 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 tick, so that we become familiar or we follow that tune. Otherwise, we lose the rhythm in between. Okay. So better to practice with that, or in the mind also you can make that timing. Okay. Re, 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 re. Please chant the mantra also while you practice. Re, 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 ta, 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 re, 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 ta. So however fast you can do, that is good. Whenever you get it wrong, stop, start with the slow speed again. Okay. This is about the first hand practice mantra. Okay. Now we come to the next mantra, that is also hand practice mantra, which is another variation of the same mantra. Okay. Here we played Tere Khe Tā. How is the second mantra? Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere, Tere, Tere Khe Ta. Easy or difficult? Same only. Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere, Tere, Tere Khe Ta. So Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere, Tere, Tere Khe Ta. I will show you on the smaller side first. Okay. Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere, Tere, Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere Khe Ta, Tere, Tere, Tere Khe Ta. Re Khe Ta, Re Khe Ta, Re, Re, Re Ta. So this is how both the mantras are there. You can practice good with, if you practice with metronome. Okay, but this mantra is not to be ignored and not to directly jump to the actual beats. This mantra will help you, open up your fingers, open up your wrist, so other beats to learn become very easy. Okay, so I would request you, please practice, give some time daily to practice this hand practice mantra. Another two hand practice mantras are there, which I will tell you in the upcoming tutorials or sessions. For today we end here. Please keep practicing. Hare Krishna.